Hello again. Today we are going to learn how to create a navigation menu. We are starting to make our website. We have in the previous lessons we downloaded the Bootstrap, and we created actually on a paper how we want our page to look like. So today we are going to create navigation menu, but before that we can change this hello world title to something more meaningful, like for me six birds in Belgrade. Okay, you can place wherever you want. For the H1 you can say, for example, welcome to my website about birds. Okay, so below that you can do finger spaces because this script should be below the closing body tag. So we're gonna place our code for navigation menu here. So first we need is div class, div container actually, opening tag, div. We're going to create the container first. Container. Okay, we're gonna make it fluid, and that means that full width of container, that's actually the full width of the container, which means that it will span the entire width of your viewport. Inside that container we are going to create another div container, and that will be our row. Okay, div class row. Okay, and inside the row we're gonna have two columns. So we can try 4.8, and when we see the page we can later change it to 3.9, or we'll see how it looks like. So you need to know that the rows are actually the columns, and the rows are, there's supposed to be 12 of them. So you can do like combination. You can have the one column if you have the big image, or in the copyright we're going to have like div class column 12. So in the navigation we can have 4.8, or for the images later on when we're gonna add our images, if you want to have 3 images in a one row, you can have it like 4.4.4, or you can have like 2 images, one big and one smaller, 8.4 or 4.8, you know. So we're gonna create another div. We're going to say div class call md4. md stands for desktop. You can use either XS, which is for phones, SM for tablets, MD, like I said, for desktop, or LG for larger desktops. I'm using MD, and inside this div we are going to add an image. We are going to add an image, and it will be actually our logo. So we need to specify the path to our image. It's images, and we'll say logo that let's say. So we need the alt attribute. I'm gonna say logo. Okay, we still don't have the image, but we will make it. Okay, so below this and closing ending div tag, we're gonna add our column, which will be 8. So div class call md8. Okay, and here we are going to create our navigation menu. So we are going to create an ordered list, which is UL, and inside we are going to have list items. For the UL, we have the class nav, and for the li, for li, we have the class nav item. Okay, and in the list item we have the actual link to our homepage, which will be create using a tag. So a, we need a class nav link. So a class nav link, we'll say active, and we'll say you could hashtag if you don't know the page name, but since we do, you can say index.html. Okay, and here in after the closing a tag, actually after the beginning, before the closing a tag, we're gonna place text home. Okay, and go below the closing li tag to make another link after list item. We can copy this, select, copy, paste. So we're gonna need about page, we're gonna need gallery page, and we can use contact page. Okay, so just need to remove the active from the other three. Okay, this is the home page, so it's only active on the home page. We're gonna change later for the other pages be also active. and this is called. Okay, so now we can go and look and see what it looks like. Actually, go to your folder, double click. Okay, we don't have a logo. Okay, this is kind of huge. Okay, so now we can create some logo. We're going to do a simple, like just the text. Okay, and maybe how you gonna know what will be the size? Okay, I have light shot, I think, for Chrome extension. Okay, so you can try this if you don't have something similar. Okay, so it's light shot screenshot tool for Google Chrome. You can click here, add to Chrome. Okay, and that's it. So you can use it like, you know, you see the space between the heading tab and the navigation menu, and you can measure the distance. Okay, maybe you want it like 180 or 170. 180 depends what are you going to place inside. So see, it's about pretty much the same distance up and down. Okay, so it can be like 180.75. Okay, now you can go create new. You can go here on the right side, type it logo, type name. This is the size, let's say 180.75. Okay, this is the background. You can choose, the default is transparent, so you can choose the background color right here. You can use the color, or you can choose the one you want. Okay, I'm cool with this one, and click create. Okay, this is killing my eyes, but for now it's good. Okay, so click the text button and the text will appear. Okay, the font size is huge. Okay, let's see. Let's change it. The text will be, let's say, just birds. Birds. Okay, so move down to see the size. This is 80. Maybe we can try 60 or less, 50. Okay, 50 is good. Now we just need to move it, and that's it. You can change the color. Oh, missing the F. Okay, actually there. Okay, let's see. What did I want? To change the font. I like Turkey, or something like this. Okay. Good. So when you're satisfied, you can reposition it a little bit more or leave it the way it is. Okay, I'm satisfied. Click save. So your name is here. If you missed to name it, you can do it now. You can choose the the extension. You're going to do PNG and click download button. So when the download is finished, you're gonna go to show all. You're going to click show in folder, and we're going to do Ctrl X, and we're gonna close this folder and go to, actually we don't have any images here. Okay, you just need to create a folder, new folder. Okay, images, double click to open, and you can paste your image, our logo. So now we have the logo. Okay, we can refresh it, and there it is. We have our logo and we have our navigation menu. It's still not gonna go anywhere because we only have just the home page. Okay, so that's how you want to check this one thing, but everything okay should be, yeah, okay. Now you can, for example, you can see this is the div plus row, which is ending here. You can do an inline comment like end of row. Okay, and you can do the same for next one. Just copy and paste, change the row to container. Okay, that's how I like to end it. You don't have to write end off, you can just say row, but I like to have like end of this, start of that. Just like you can say here, for example, navigation menu with logo. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that was all for today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.